Everyone will be taking a rubber band or the elastic band and then put it inside the cloth to fix it. Now put the stitches like this. Fix the cloth by putting the rubber band like this and stitch it carefully till the end like this by folding it. Fix it one by one till the end and put it equally. Now stretch the rubber bands from the sides and make the frills in the between of the cloth like this. Now cut it from the sides and fold it like this and it's done. Next you can tie the rubber bands over the clothes on the top and then put the stitches like this from the top as well. Fix it like this and look, it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be showing you some more different ways to stitch the clothes. So next you can, with the help of this tool, put the stitches. So put a lace like this and then fix it over the cloth or in the between of two clothes like this by putting it like as shown in the video. Now turn the cloth and then again put it from the back side. Now in the same manner you can put the threads or cloth on the sides of the zip like this. So fix it like this on the back of it. Now turn it and you will get a shape like this. Next take the orange color cloth and fix it by folding it like this. Put the lace on top of it. Now turn the cloth and again fix it on the top like this. Next you can put a lace over the cloth like this by putting the yellow color. After that, with the help of these tools you can tie it or stitch it very easily. So next we'll be making a pocket like this. So put the orange color cloth on the back of it and then stitch it like this. You can take different cloth, just we are watching or giving you some techniques. So now fold the cloth from the back side and again put a stitch like this. Now again fold the cloth and then again put a stitch like this. Now fix it from the between like this and make a bag like shape. Now fix it from the outside as well and you will get a shape like this. Now turn the cloth like this from the back side and fold it like this from the between and again give it a stitch over it like this. From all these sides will be stitching it by leaving a space on the front by so that you will get a pocket like shape. Now fix it from the ends as well on the back and look, it's done. You will get a shape like this and two pockets. Next, take a yellow color cloth and fix it by folding it like this. Now put a green color lace over it and then fix it by putting the stitch. Now cut it from the ends like this and again fold the cloth and put the lace like this and then put the stitch over it like this. Now turn the cloth and again fold the stitches or just fold the lace like this and put the stitches over it like this. Now you will get a shape like this. Now cut the extra part from the top and fold it from the front like this and again put a stitch over it to give the border of the green color over the yellow one like this. So put these stitches very carefully and in the similar way as shown in the video. So watch the techniques very carefully. Now fix it and look, now turn the cloth and again fix it on the back side as well and look, it's done. Take a cloth as shown in the video of the pink color and then fold it like this. Now after folding it, fold it another half like this. Now draw the shape of the hands you want to make the gloves for and then put the stitch over it like this. So follow the outlines and put the stitches in the same manner. Now after putting these stitches, we'll be cutting it from the side. Now remove the extra part from the top as well by cutting it like this. Now we'll be folding it and then turn it inside out like this and fold it from the downside and look, it's done. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.